How do you solve this? That's what we're going to talk about today.
This video is brought to you by the Team Leica Review books. More about these later.
Hi there and welcome to Team Leica, where we try to help you prepare better for your next exam. This is part 2 ng ating series on permutations involving letters in a word. And if you haven't seen part 1 yet, go ahead and watch that first. Kasi mas maganda if you know how to do that. We're going to use the same concept kasi dito sa part 2. Today we're going to talk about permutations of letters of words, pero with conditions. And this is where your thinking hat and diskarte as a Pinoy can come in kasi you will need to figure out your way, your sariling diskarte, on how to solve problems like this. Let's jump right in. Sabi dito sa tanong natin, how many distinct ways can you arrange the letters of the word honor if the vowels always need to be together? Ibig sabihin yung dalawang O ay laging magkatabi. Now, one way to look at it is to treat the two O's as one letter. After all, hindi mo naman sila paghihiwalayin. At syempre, kahit magpalit naman sila ng pwesto, pareho lang naman silang O. Ang hinahanap nga natin unique or distinct ways. So, in order for me to solve it, all I need to do is to figure out the answer kung apat ang pagpipilian ko sa bawat blank. So, instead of solving it as 5 factorial, magiging 4 factorial na lang. Kasi meron kang 1, 2, 3, and 4 options na ipupwesto mo sa bawat part ng word. So, to solve that, the answer would be 4 factorial or 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 na lang. So, this will be 12 times 2 times 1 or 24 distinct ways. The final answer is 24. So again, if you are forced to keep certain letters together at pareho naman silang dalawa, you will treat it as a single unit. Para bang isang letra na lang siya instead of 2. Now, this is different kung pinag-uusapan ay magkaibang letter. But let's turn to another question.
This is a great opportunity for me to introduce the Team Leica Review books. And yes, books siya. Kasi we have the practice test booklets. Booklets kasi ang katumbas niya ay 4 na booklets or 4 na sets ng aptitude tests. Each set already has math, language, analytical reasoning, and general information questions. Of course, the answer key, answer sheets so you can practice shading. At more than that, an exclusive QR code that you can scan para makita ninyo kung paano ko sinusolve ang mga problems na ito. It includes discussions on some super secret techniques that I use para siguraduhin makatipid ng oras sa exam at syempre, makapasa. You also have the workbook number 1, hindi siya multiple choice questions pero it's designed to practice your skills para naman ready ka sa fundamentals mo. Skills, techniques, and it's best to use them together. If you're interested, go ahead and message us sa m.me/teamleica to figure out how we can get these to you. Sa mga bumili na at bibili pa, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you for helping me help more people by buying these kasi these help us fund what we do here sa channel na to. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, it'll be harder for me to make all these free content. So, thank you sa inyong lahat. And now, back to the video.
Paano if ang sabi ay, how many distinct ways can you arrange the letters of the word honor if the vowels cannot be together? Ibig sabihin, ayaw natin na magkatabi sila. Sa kaso na ito, in order for us to solve it, we need to think of a way na makukuha natin yung lahat sila na possible combinations minus yung bawat combination o bawat word na magkatabi yung dalawang O. How do we do that? Kunin na lang natin yung sagot sa kung ilan yung words na ma-form with honor, tas ibabawas natin yung nakuha natin kanina, which is kung ilang ways na magkatabi yung dalawang O. Now, let's solve yung first one first. Ilan yung possible combinations with honor? Now, like we said last time, dahil merong dalawang letra na magkapareho, instead of 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or 5 factorial, all over kung ilan yung mga letra na magkapareho. Sa kaso na to, dalawang O lang, so that will be 2 times 1, or 2 factorial. This is 5 factorial over 2 factorial. To solve this, we can just cancel this part right here. pareho na lang siyang magiging 1. So the answer would be 5 times 4 times 3 or 20 times 3 or 60. So lahat ng unique combinations ng word na honor ay 60. Pero ibabawas natin sa kanya kung ilan yung words na magkatabi yung O na nasagot na natin kanina, which is 24. So the answer here becomes 36 ways. 60 minus 24 is 36. That's what I meant when I said na kailangan mo siyang gamitan ng diskarte. Using what you know about how to get yung ilang ways, kung lahat sila ay i-consider, at kung ano yung sagot kung meron namang condition na hinihingi. Now, we're going to stick with simple conditions lang muna. But for you to test your understanding, it's time for a quick quiz. So if you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. Alright, let's see how you did. Isa-isahin natin ito. Sabi doon sa first question, how many distinct ways can you arrange the letters of algebra? So, gagamitin natin yung ginamit nating approach dati. Bibilangin natin kung ilang letters. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. So, the answer would be 7 factorial. Pero, dahil merong letters na magkamuka or pareho, i-divide pa natin siya sa kung ilan sila. Sa case ng algebra, meron kang dalawang A. So that would be over 2 factorial. At dahil wala naman ng iba, unique na yung ibang letters, we'll leave it at that. So kung isa-solve natin, you have 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 2 times 1, which means, pwede natin i-cancel o eliminate yung 2 times 1 sa taas at ibaba. Now we're left with, this is 12 times 5, which is 60, times 7 times 6, which is 42. Now to make things easier, we can just solve 42 times 60, or 42 times 6 na lang. This is going to be 12. This is going to be 24 plus 5 or 25. Tapos ibababa or ikokopyahin na lang natin yung 0. So the answer is 2,520 for number 1. Now, question number 2 asks, what if the vowels need to be together? It gets tricky here kasi merong ilang ways in which the vowels will be together dahil may tatlong vowels tayo. Pwede mo i-count yung A, E, yung E, A, at yung A, E, A. After this, wala naman ng condition kung saan magkakatabi yung mga vowel. So, we can just solve for each of these. And we would know kung ilan yung ways na magkakatabi lahat ng vowels. Now, let's start with yung first condition, yung AAE. Dahil pinagsama-sama ko lahat ng mga vowels na to as one block, ang blocks na lang natin or ang pagpipiliin natin sa bawat posisyon ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that would be 5 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or 20 times 3 is 60 times 2, 120. Now, if you notice, pareho rin yung mangyayari dito sa dalawang scenario na ito. 5 blocks ang pagpipilian. So, this could be just 120, 120, and another 120. Or, i-multiply natin yung 120 by the number of different na ways din na ma-rearrange mo yung tatlong vowel na given. So, this is just going to be 120 times 3 or 360. That is the answer. Number 3, what if the vowels cannot be together? Well, pwede kang mag-come up with a different way of solving it. But, if you think about it, dahil na-solve na natin yung total ng distinct ways at yung ilan kapag magkakatabi sila, pwede na natin kunin na lang yung total na 2,520 at ibawas dito yung na-solve natin na scenarios kung saan magkakatabi sila, which is 360. That is going to give us 2,160 ways. Now, of course, there are more complicated conditions pa. So if you want us to discuss those, let me know in the comments sa baba. And if enough of you request that, we're going to move to even more difficult things. But for now, I'm hoping that's enough to tide you over sa iyong susunod na exam. Dahil dito naman naglalaro yung mga tanong doon. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. We have more videos coming up. If may request ka din ng topic na gusto mong i-cover natin sa susunod, i-type mo lang sa comments sa baba. And kung bitin ka dyan, we have more lessons right here on screen na pwede ninyong pagpilian. As we always say sa channel na to, never stop learning. Aja-aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now.